Next question. Oh yes, this man. Yes, sir. There we are.
Good evening to all. Thank you, Dr. Sebi, for being here in the house. Let me first say I want to thank Jamal and his team. I'm JT, Jamal, for blessing me and my friend Hannah with being here tonight. Let me first say that, obviously God does perform miracles. He hasn't gotten out of that business. And God can also work through the human hands and the human ingenuity to bring miracles in the natural form as well. And so when I first heard about the fact that you guys referred to Genesis chapter 29, I'm sorry, I got it wrong. In Genesis anyway, 129, there you go, thank you. I was very encouraged because, I'm a Bible believing guy, so I was encouraged to me. But what I wanted to ask you, Dr. Sebi, that being said, some years ago, when I was 11 years old, I just turned 49 in a few days. I was blinded by eye drops given by doctors at PMH. Oh. And my optic nerves were destroyed by the eye drops. When I spoke with Jamal about it, he told me, yes, you have something called glaucoma, which is unfortunately what I have. Oh, yes, you have something for detached retina, which unfortunately is too what I have. But I wanted to know, has any of your compounds have been proven to actually positively affect destroyed optic nerves? Because, sir, if you can say yes tonight, so far proven, I would love to be one of the first persons, if I'm not the first one, with destroyed optic nerves, which means that no matter what other illness I have in my eyes cannot work. Even transplants won't work because of the nerves having been destroyed by those eye drops. So if there's any compounds that God would have inspired you to come up with that can help anyone with destroyed optic nerves to have any measure of sight return, please let me know. I appreciate it. And also shortness of breath. My friend wanted to know if you have anything for that as well.
Optic nerve. I'm going to go to Miss Mary McCallum in St. Croix. Not only does she have her optic nerve destroyed, her eye, her retina, the retina of the eye was detached, and she was bleeding in her eye chamber. 3 months later, she was seeing, and the nerve was attached. So you want to know, how could a detached retina attach itself again? Well, let me tell you something. Mr. Teddy Pendergrass. Who knows about him in this audience? Okay. Teddy Pendergrass was a very famous singer. He had his spinal cord detached. When I met Teddy, he was like this. He couldn't move his head right or left. But I was looking at his stomach, and everybody said, why are you looking at his belly? I said, because I won't be able to heal him unless I get that belly down. I'm in St. Thomas vacation one afternoon. I didn't want to be bothered. My wife sent me to St. Thomas to rest for a week. I got this phone call after I was there a couple of days. And it was Teddy calling me angry. His biceps were back, his triceps were back, and he was feeling pain under his feet. The man was angry because he was feeling pain under his feet. The boy was a C4. The boy didn't feel anything below his neck. Now he's angry because he's feeling pain under his feet. See, that's how we interpret things. We slip. When his nerve attached, and he could do everything except walk. I said, Teddy, I told you when I came to you that I wasn't going to charge you any money until I got to your waist. Now, your waist is working because you're using the bathroom by yourself. Your penis is getting hard. Your triceps and biceps are back. I want half my money. You gave the Russians $240,000. You gave the doctors in Brazil for $160,000, which makes it a total of $400,000. I'm not going to charge you money in one half of that. Well, I want my money right now, Teddy. I'm not going to pay you anything. I said I knew that. Because your helper told me you wasn't going to pay me because you have no respect for black people. Whoa. You were like Muhammad Ali. Whoa. Muhammad Ali had no respect for black people. Never had, never will. He did it to me too. But I was okay. I knew what's in their head. So yes, optic nerve, detached retina, bleeding in the eye chamber, all that we have repaired. And I'm quite sure we can help you.